Hi, wanna know how to turn off your Realme 12x? So let's get started. First thing that we need to know which buttons to press to turn it off. So we got here two buttons, which is power button and then volume button, which is ported on two buttons. The bottom part is volume down and the upper part is volume up. To open the power off menu, we would need to click combination of buttons, which is power button and then volume up button. We would need to click on these at the same time, so let's click on it. And here on the screen you can see that have appeared this power off menu. Now to turn off our phone, we would need to take this white dot with our finger and pull it down until you can see the slider turn red. Now release your finger and your phone will vibrate and then turn off. Just remember that after this your phone won't automatically turn on. You would need to do it manually by holding this power button. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.